Then Dikshan Dev Burma.
Yes, sir.
Uh, then what is the spelling of Dikshan? Dikson.
Yes, sir. Dikson.
What is the meaning of Dikshan? Any meaning of Dikshan?
Uh, I don't know, sir.
Uh, oh, it is British name. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you want to be British people? Dikshan?
No, sir.
Or your parents? You have not provided your name. Your parents provided your name, and
Yes,
they
sir.
they expect that you are to be very British person. Is it so? Huh? Then you ask your father, then what do you expect from me? I will be very British person or Indian. Huh? You are to ask your father. How many brothers and sisters you are?
Two sister.
Two sisters.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you have two sisters and one. You are only one brother.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sisters are elder than you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, then you are the third person
Yes.
among your brothers and sisters. They all are married.
Yes, sir.
Oh, then whatever the house and belongings to your family, to your parents, you are inherited all those. Then you are very rich person. Dixon, eh?
Yes.
Oh, that's you are the king of Tripura. Hmm? Is it so?
No, sir.
Uh, where is your house exactly? Near Ginger Hotel.
Near
Near
Dominus Pizza Store.
Domino's Pizza. Oh,
Heritage Park, sir.
Heritage Park. Oh, that side. Okay, okay, okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Lisa.
Sir, I'm Manisha from MBA, first year.
Monisha. What?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Oh,
Sir, she's friend. We are
where
staying together.
where are you with Lisa?
Yes, sir. She's my friend.
Oh, but Lisa has gone 2 days somewhere eh, to get visit to Jampu or somewhere. I don't know.
She was not well, sir. That's why.
Oh, that's why you have come to look after him. Her.
Yes.
Oh, then it's okay. That friendship is really okay. But do you have any class now, Monisha?
Yes.
You are also attending class from Liza's house.
Two class.
Your house is nearby Liza. Your
Yes, sir.
oh, where is it?
Ambasa, sir.
Ambasha, Ambasha. Okay, okay, okay. Then I am Ambasha. Huh? Liza, Liza has not invited me, but I am to visit to have some uh,
Sir, you
indigenous
are welcome, sir.
indigenous food item. Uh, that's okay. Uh, then we have to start our do you see, Lisa, the screen? Bijoy,
Yes, sir.
do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Then you take only product A, not product B. Product A only, okay? The material standard material requirement is 600 kg at the rate of 500, okay? 5 at the rate of 5. And actual consume 580 kg at the rate of 5 rupees 5 and 50 paisa, 5.50. Clear? Then you do the actual cost. You find out the actual cost of material. What is the actual cost of material? You open your khata. Bijoy,
Yes, sir.
Dixon,
Yes, sir.
open your khata.
Yes, sir.
Jana. What is the actual cost of material? What is the actual cost of material?
Sir, 3190.
Good, good. 550 into 5.50. Okay? Everybody has done it. You write product A. You write product A actual cost equal to actual quantity into actual price. You write down actual quantity into actual price. That is equal to 580 into rupees 5.50. That is 3190.
Sir,
Should
actual
we write the
quantity into
question, sir?
actual price.
Eh?
Sir, actual cost equal to actual quantity into actual price.
Yes. Okay. Then actual quantity 580 into 5.50. Okay. Lisa,
Yes, sir.
henceforth you are to write AQ, actual quantity means AQ, and actual price AP, like this. Okay. Actual quantity AQ into AP, actual price, equal to rupees 3190. Okay. What is your standard cost, Bijoy? SC, standard cost.
30,000.
Standard cost, you have to write SQ into SP. Standard quantity into standard price. What is standard quantity? Bijoy? Bijoy, what is standard quantity?
30,000.
What is
Sir,
standard?
600.
600. You have to write 600 into standard price 5. That is 3000. Okay. Then you write under this material cost variance. Lisa,
Yes, sir.
you have to write material cost variance. Have you written all?
Yes, sir.
Equal to AC minus SC. AC means actual cost, minus SC means standard cost. AC minus SC. Then what is equal to? AC means 3190 minus SC means 3000. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 190. Is it not?
So it will be in rupees or quantity?
Rupees. AC 3190 rupees. Actual cost rupees. Standard cost is also rupees. Then material cost variance equal to rupees 190. Actual cost is more than standard cost. Is it good or bad?
It is bad.
Bad. If it is bad, you have to write within bracket A. A means adverse. Capital A. Rupees 190 adverse.
Can you repeat?
Ujana,
Yes, sir.
get the point?
Yes, sir.
Total cost variance equal to AC minus SC. AC means actual quantity into actual price, AQ into AP, minus SQ into SP. That is 580 into 5.50 minus 600 into 5. That is equal to 3190 minus 3000. That is equal to rupees 190. It is adverse. You have to write A within bracket. Within bracket, you have to write A. If it is adverse, you have to write A. If it is favorable, you have to write F. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Material cost variance equal to rupees 190 adverse. Lisa, is it clear to you?
No, sir.
Huh? It is not clear.
No, sir.
Have you written material cost variance?
Yes, sir. Actual cost into standard cost.
Actual cost minus standard. Actual
Actual.
cost minus standard cost.
Okay, sir.
You have to write AC minus SC. Have you written?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That what is the actual cost? You have to compare actual cost with standard cost. That is material cost variance. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then in case of AC, you have to write actual quantity into actual price. AQ into AP minus SQ into SP. Standard quantity into standard price. That is SC. Clear? Clear? Lisa?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
No, Lisa.
Sir.
Clear?
No, sir.
Key notes. Actual cost equal to actual quantity into actual price. Key note.
Yes, sir. It's clear. It's clear, sir. Actual cost equal to actual quantity into actual price.
Therefore, in case of AC, you have to write AQ into AP minus SQ into SP. Standard quantity into
Yes, sir.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Then under this, you have to write equal to what is AQ? What is AQ?
Actual cost.
Actual quantity. What is actual quantity?
Actual.
Actual quantity.
Lisa,
Yes, sir.
what is AQ?
Actual quantity.
What is the quantity? here for this sum?
Sir, 580.
You write 580 into actual price 5.50. 580 into 5.50 within bracket minus SQ. What is SQ? Lisa,
Yes, sir.
what is SQ? No, yes, sir. You should not say yes, sir. What is SQ?
600.
You write 600.
SQ 600.
SQ 600 into SP 5. Clear? You have to write within bracket. Then under this you write equal to AQ into AP. What's the amount? 580 into 5.50. Lisa? $580 into 5.50. What is the amount? Lisa?
Yes, sir.
What is the 580 into 5.50? What is the amount? You do it. 580 into 5.50. By calculator. Lisa?
Yes, sir.
You say no, you should not say yes, sir. 5 into 80 into 5.50. What is the amount? Lisa?
290.
580 into 5.50. What is the amount? ফাইভ এইটটিকে 5.50 বুদ্ধি গুণ করলে কত হয়? কি লিজা ক্যালকুলেটর নাও একটা
3190. 3190.
3190. You should not take too much time. Minus 600 into 5. What is the amount? Lisa? Speed. 600 into 5. What is the amount?
3000.
3000. Then 3190 minus 3000 equal to, under this you have to write equal to, what is the amount? লিজা একটু তাড়াতাড়ি করো লিজা। লিজা
Yes, sir.
রেসপন্ড নো ইউ ইয়েস স্যার বলবে না, অ্যামাউন্ট বলো। ইউ শুড নট সে ইয়েস স্যার।
স্যার আপনার কথাগুলো জড়িয়ে আসছে স্যার, আমি ভালো করে বুঝতে পারছি না।
3190 মাইনাস 3000 কত হয়?
190 স্যার।
190. Actual cost is more or less?
More than standard cost.
Then it is good or bad? এটা ভালো না খারাপ?
Bad.
Bad
স্যার,
হলে
খারাপ।
ব্র্যাকেটে লেখো, within bracket you have to write A. A means adverse. Capital A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
190 adverse. Clear?
Yes, sir.
আর নো স্যার বলবে না।
ঠিক
এবারে
আছে স্যার।
the material cost variance is to subdivide with material price variance and material usage variance. Then under this you write this material cost variance have two parts, material price variance and material usage variance. Then under this you write material price variance. You write speed up, very speed up. Material price variance. Bijoy,
Yes, sir.
you write material price variance equal to
Sir, material cost variance has two parts.
one is material price variance, another is material usage variance. For that you write now material price variance. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Everybody has written?
Yes, sir.
Equal to, you write AQ into within bracket AP minus SP. AP minus SP. Here it is not correct. AQ into AP minus SP. Actual quantity into actual price minus standard price. Have you written? Bijoy,
Yes, sir.
what you have written?
580 into
No, no, what you have
5.50
written?
minus.
Formula. You repeat the
So
formula.
AQ. Okay, sir. Actual quantity into actual price
You
minus
say
standard
AQ
price.
into
AP minus SP.
AP minus SP. Have you written, everybody?
Yes, sir.
You have to keep AP minus SP in bracket. Material price variance, therefore price difference is within bracket and it is to multiply it by actual quantity. What is the value of actual quantity? AQ. Lisa, what is AQ?
Sir, 580. 580.
Into within bracket, what is the value of AP?
2.80.
5 AP
5.50.
5.50 minus SP. What is the value of SP? What is the
5.
value of 5
5.
minus 5? Then AQ equal to 580 into AP minus SP. What is the value? 5.50 minus 5. Bijoy?
0.50.
0.50. 580 into 0.50. Then what is the value?
290.
290.
290. AP is more than SP. Actual price is more than standard price, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Actual price is more than standard price. Is it good or bad? Is it good or bad? Lisa,
Sir, adverse.
it is good or bad?
Sir, bad.
Bad. Therefore, you have to write A, adverse. 290 adverse. Okay? Do you get the point, Lisa?
Yes, sir.
Clear? It is material price.
Sir, we have calculate material price variance.
প্রথমে তো লিখেই গেছো, আবার নতুন করে জিজ্ঞেস
হ্যাঁ
করছো
হ্যাঁ
কেন?
না না স্যার, মানে শিওর হচ্ছিলাম,
না
কনফার্ম
না, শিওর
হচ্ছিলাম।
হবে না, এত শিওর হতে যাবে না। তুমি লিখেছো ম্যাটেরিয়াল প্রাইস ভেরিয়েন্স
ইয়েস স্যার, লিখেছি
ইকুয়াল
স্যার।
টু অ্যাকচুয়াল AQ ইনটু AP মাইনাস SP।
ইয়েস স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, here you write price variance, that's why you have to get difference of price AP minus SP. Then you write material usage variance. Material usage variance. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir, লিখেছি।
Equal to SP into usage variance. That is you have to get the difference of the usage. SP into AQ minus SQ. SP into AQ minus SQ. Usage. You have to get the difference of usage. Actual quantity minus standard quantity. Bijoy, have you written?
Yes, sir.
What you have written?
SP into AQ minus SQ.
Okay. Everybody has written SP into AQ minus SQ, Lija?
Yes, sir. Written.
Written. Then what is the value of SP? Under this you write SP. What is the value of SP? Lija, bolo.
Sir, 5.
5 into within bracket. What is the value of AQ? Lija?
5.50.
AQ. AQ.
Sir,
AQ.
580. 580. 580.
Minus what is the value of SQ?
600.
Minus 600. 580, then 5 into 580 minus 600. You get the plus or minus, you get the difference only. What is the difference?
20.
20. 5 into 20.
Negative 20, sir.
Now you don't write negative 20. You have to write only 20. Difference. You get the point?
Yes, sir.
You should not write any positive or negative. Lisa,
Yes, sir.
is it clear to you, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Bijoy, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Here minus means difference. Therefore, you should not write plus or minus. That is 5 into 20. That is what's the amount?
100.
100. Actual quantity 580. আর স্ট্যান্ডার্ড কোয়ান্টিটি 600. কোয়ান্টিটি মানে কম কম জিনিস লেগেছে। ইউ হ্যাভ ইউজড লেস কোয়ান্টিটি। এটা ভালো না খারাপ লিজা?
ভালো, স্যার।
ভালো। Quantity, if quantity is less, it is good. That's why you have to write F, favorable. That's why you should not write plus or minus. When you write favorable or adverse, it is meaningful. Therefore, you should not write plus or minus. 100 within bracket F. Clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Bijoy? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Pujana?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Then material, what was the value of material price variance? 290 adverse. What is the value of material usage variance? 100 favorable. You add it up. 290 খারাপ, 100 ভালো। তাহলে কত যোগ করলে কি হয়?
190 adverse.
190 adverse. Do you get the point, Lija?
Yes, sir. মানে লেস করতে হবে।
আমি
We
জানি
have
না।
to deduct.
290 খারাপ, 100 ভালো। দুটো যোগ করলে কি হয়? খারাপ 290, 100 ফেভারেবল। কি হয় দুটো যোগ করলে? ইফ ইউ সাম আপ,
Sir, 100 তো favorable, sir. 190 adverse.
290 adverse.
হ্যাঁ, sir.
And if you add it up, then it will 190 adverse. 190
Yes, sir.
adverse.
Yes, sir.
It must correspond with material cost variance. Material cost variance কত? 190. তাহলে material cost variance equal to material price variance plus material usage variance, is it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Ujana, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Material cost variance equal to material price variance plus material usage variance. Do you get the point? Clear? This is about product A. Then you write product B. Under this you write product B. You write product B. তাড়াতাড়ি করো এখন তো বুঝে গেছো। Very speed up, Lisa. Product B. You write material cost variance like the previous sum. Bijoy,
Yes, sir.
product B, material cost variance. What you should write the formula? Actual AC minus SC. You
AC
write
minus SC.
equal to AQ into AP minus SQ into SP. Lisa, লিখেছো?
Yes, sir.
লিখেছো?
Yes.
Equal to what is AQ now?
Sir, can you repeat, please?
না রিপিট করব না, একই রকম মেটেরিয়াল এ যা লিখেছো তাই, কাজেই আমি রিপিট করব না, এটা তুমি রিপিট করবে। প্রোডাক্ট এ তে যা লিখেছো এখানে তাই, ফর্মুলাটা একই, তুমি রিপিট করো আমাকে বলো। ম্যাটেরিয়াল কস্ট
Material cost variance SC minus SC.
ইকুয়াল টু কি লিখবে?
Equal to actual cost minus standard cost.
বারণ করেছি, AQ ইনটু AP, কোনো অ্যাকচুয়াল নয়, AQ ইনটু AP minus SQ into SP. You have written for material A, product A. Therefore, I should not repeat it. You are to repeat. Ujana, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are to repeat. Otherwise, in which I come to know that you have learned for product A. Same formula is applicable here. AQ into AP minus SQ into SP equal to, what is AQ here?
90.
এই AQ চোখ পরিষ্কার করো, চোখটা একটু ঘষে নাও হাত দিয়ে, চোখটা একটু হাত দিয়ে ঘষে নাও উজানা।
AQ 100.
হ্যাঁ, AQ 100 into AP
2.50.
200 into 2.50. You keep it in one bracket. Minus, what is SQ?
90.
Into, what is SP?
3. 3.00.
3. Clear? Lisa, clear?
Yes, sir. একদম clear.
একদম clear. Then equal to, you do the sum. AQ into AP means 100 into 2.50. What's the amount?
250.
250. Minus 90 into 3. What is the amount?
270.
270. What's the difference?
20.
20. And the actual cost is more than standard cost. ভালো না খারাপ?
Kharab.
খারাপ. Then 20. 100. 250 minus 270. Now 170. 250 minus 170. What's the difference? 250 minus 270. What's the difference? 20. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
20 favorable.
Favorable?
No, sir, adverse.
No, 20 favorable. Actual cost is less. Ujana?
Yes, sir,
Actual
it's favorable.
cost is less or more?
Actual cost is less.
খারাপ না ভালো?
Sir, ভালো.
ভালো হলে কি লিখতে হবে?
Favorable.
ফেভারেবল লিখছো না, লিখছো কি উইদিন ব্র্যাকেট এফ। এফ ইউ শুড
Yes,
রাইট
sir.
এফ অনলি, এফ 20 এফ। এখানে অঙ্কটা ভুল করা আছে বইয়ে। দেন ইউ রাইট ম্যাটেরিয়াল প্রাইস ভেরিয়েন্স সিমিলারলি লাইক এ ইউ রিপিট। উজানা আমাকে রিপিট করতে বলবে না। ম্যাটেরিয়াল প্রাইস ভেরিয়েন্স ইকুয়াল টু হোয়াট ইউ শুড রাইট?
AQ into AP minus SP.
Alright, good. What is AQ? What is AQ?
100.
Into within bracket AP. What is AP?
To 2.50.
2.50 minus 3 কত হয়? 100 into 2.50 minus 3 কত হয়? 0.50. 100 into 0.50 equal to what's the amount? Bijoy?
50.
50. Actual price is less than standard price. ভালো না খারাপ? লিজা
করছি স্যার।
আগে কি করছো এখনো? কোথায় আছো বলো না। 100 লিখেছো ইন্টু 2.50 মাইনাস 3 লিখেছো ইকুয়াল টু 100 ইন্টু 0.50 লিখেছো ইকুয়াল টু 50 লিখেছো তো? লিজা কোথায় আছো বলো আমাকে। কিছুই বলে না।
Yes, he's left.
হ্যাঁ
I think network problem.
উজানা বলো কোথায় আছো?
Sir, 50.
50. Actual price less or more?
Sir, actual price is less.
ভালো না খারাপ?
Sir, ভালো.
ভালো হলে ব্র্যাকেটে কি লিখতে হবে?
Favorable. F.
এফ লেখো। ক্লিয়ার? বিজয় ক্লিয়ার? বিজয়ও নেই। লিজা, do you hear me? Lisa is not hearing me. Then Ujana,
স্যার আই এম হিয়ার।
কত দূর করেছো তুমি?
স্যার ম্যাটেরিয়াল প্রাইস ভেরিয়েন্স বের করেছি স্যার।
কত হয়েছে?
স্যার 50 ফেভারেবল।
বাস, গুড, ভেরি গুড। Then material usage variance, you write. Material usage variance equal to what is the formula, Ujana?
Sir, SP into AQ minus SQ.
SP into AQ minus SQ. What is SP?
3.
3. What is AQ?
100.
100. What is SQ?
90.
90. Then 3 into 10. that is 30. AQ is more. AQ is more. ভালো না খারাপ?
Adverse.
Adverse. 30A.
Adverse খারাপ।
খারাপ। এবার 30A plus 50 favorable equal to 50 খারাপ 30 50 ভালো 30 খারাপ, তার মানে যোগ করলে কত খারাপ কত ভালো
20
হয়?
favorable. 20
20
favorable.
What was the material cost variance? 20 favorable. মিললো তো? মিললো কি না?
Yes, sir.
মিলেছে তো? Good. Therefore, you have learned material cost variance. Clear to everybody? Diction?
Yes, sir.
তুমি কথা বলো না কেন মাঝখানে? বুঝেছো তুমি?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝেছি।
জোরে বলো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝেছি।
Because you have to understand. Otherwise, there is no need of class. Lisa? Lisa? I think some network problem. Diction?
Yes, sir.
Clear to? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Bijoy? I
Yes, sir.
think so.
Yes,
Is
sir,
it
clear.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay then.